Hello my wonderful people, now welcome again to another interesting lesson, another interesting video. Now we carry come today we want to learn how to make this fine cowl dress or cowl top, whatever you go use and do. So we just want to learn how to draft the pattern and how to sew together. So if you're not ready, make we start. But before we start, I would also like to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. So today, make you no forget to show me love. Help me like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you. So this pattern paper where they use now, I been don't use them before, but because I want to use them for this pattern and for the benefit of those where they join us for the first time, that is beginners, I say make I use this red marker to trace out the outline again. So this now the neck of the pattern, this now the shoulder slope, then I measure the chest line and I insert the armhole. So I dey draft the back and the front together. So this one will come inside here now the armhole for the front, and this one and the armhole for the back. So the back no get, so the pattern no get that, get dartless. So the next thing we go do now, we don't insert the bust measurement 9 inches, and then we go insert the waist measurement. The waist now 32 divided by 4 and 8 inches. So I will just insert the waist measurement here like this. Then I go use my straight ruler to connect the lines. So this one now na the side seam. So I no go also forget to add sewing allowance for this pattern. So to add the sewing allowance, I will just add 2 inches for the side. So I go use 1 inch swam, then 1 inch go just dey for in case. That one go just dey for normal, just to have excess for that side. Okay, so moving on now, we don't insert the side seam. So the next thing what we go do now, I go first cut out the back pattern, then I go come use and take cut. When I don't cut the back pattern finish, so the back pattern don't ready as it dey like this. So the next thing what we go just do, so it's just dey simple like this. The back pattern we go cut them out before we go come use them take cut the front pattern. So make we start now. Okay, so ordinarily I suppose cut out the neckline, but because this pattern no go get na spaghetti strap you go get, so what I go do be say I go just measure from this shoulder point here. I go measure like 5 inches comot. So it depends on you, wherever you want to make your strap start from, where you want to make this spaghetti. If you want to make it start from the mid armhole, you are free. If you want to make it start from after your bust line, you are free. So me I go just come out 5 inches for my own. So now from that 5 inches now go come be this place now go come be the neckline for this my pattern. So now from this, when I want attach the strap, now 5 inches strap now I go attach put. I hope so now understand. So make we just fold out this part now. So we go use them now. See this one now at the back. So we go use this pattern now to cut the material before I go come retrace the armhole, then cut out the front, modify them to cut out the front. So make we go cut them now. I go come show now. Okay my people, so I don't go take another pattern paper now to cut out the front part. So to cut out the front part, I carry another pattern paper. See, this is a new pattern paper. So I carry the pattern where we cut, the back pattern where we first cut, I can't put them on top the new pattern paper. So you go make sure say the center front of this pattern, see as it dey. Make I show now how the thing dey, because I don't pin them. So see how the thing go dey. Make sure say this front part then they align together. So I make sure say they like this. Then from here, make sure say this place still touch here. Then you go move the back pattern like this. So you see so make I just move them up small. So make sure say as you dey turn them, this part still there for this, it still touch this center front for this point here. Make sure say this point then touch together. That is the tip here and this center front touch together. Then just gently move your paper just move the back piece like this. You see am. So after we don move am finish, the next thing wey we go come do now na to use pin hold am so that the thing no go dey move up and down before we cut. So you see, so just note say the distance between this place and here na im go be the distance of the cow wey the cow go fall put. So if from here now e dey, let's say 4, so that means say na from 4 inches from the shoulder na your cow go start to dey form. If e dey 5 na from 5, if e dey 8 na from 8. So depends, so this part now depends on how deep or how high wey you want make your cow be. So me I just dey okay with this 4 inches way from here. So now the next thing wey I go do, I go just trace out the armhole. So I will just trace out the armhole curve for this front pattern. I go just trace am out. So I go modify am later. Alright my people, so we don't cut the fabric. We don't cut the paper. Una see the front piece. So I use this part, I use am take cut the facing. So the facing I just mark am like 1.5 inch after the armhole. So I trace am out, then I retrace the armhole. So now say the back armhole dey higher than the front armhole. So now so I want make it be. So this one at the back pattern, this one at the front pattern. So the next thing now we'll go do now, we'll go put this pattern on top our fabric. So the fabric we go put them on bias. That is, you go fold them diagonally. You don't go fold them straight. You go put them on bias to take cut the pattern. So make I do it now. I go come show now how to take continue. Alright my people, we don't come back. Oh, sorry for the break in transmission. Light go off. Oh, they take our light, so I had to go and look for other means. So the next thing after we cut them for paper, we don't come cut them for the material. We don't use the material cut them. So now remember how I show now how we take cut the back. So I say I want make the back get V neck like this. Make it get the V for this side, make the back get V for this side. So the next thing where I go do now, I go cut facing for the back. See the front facing. Now see so see the front facing they here like this. The front facing they and the back facing. So I'll go cut the back facing to make a neat. So after I don't put the back facing, the next thing we will go do, we go use this our Ankara. I use this Ankara strap. Now I won't put, so we go use and take put them. Make I go do the back facing first. I will come show now the next thing what we go do. I dey come, I no go tea.